the 2023-2024 Headboy of Benford International School in person of Toluwanimi Oramade on his discussion, War Against Bullying. Thank you.
Good morning, parents, teachers, and friends. My name is Toluwanimi Oramade, and I'm here to talk to you on the topic, War Against Bullying. As I said in my manifesto, I'm going to raise a war against bullies. This is me keeping my promise as head boy of Benford International School. Now, bullying is a trending topic. Now, while your mind is on that, let's dive right in. First of all, who is a bully? A bully is someone who causes harm to others physically, socially, or emotionally. Now, what is the physical aspect of this? This means through physical harm, through getting cuts and bruises all over your body, or being hurt every single day. Now, the social aspect. The social aspect means to destroy someone through others by telling them bad things about that person, making others distance themselves from that person. And emotionally, this means to insult someone, making them have low self-esteem and feel like there's nothing for them in school. Now let's move to the facts about bullying. 1. Bullying kills. What do I mean by bullying kills? This means that through insults, through harm, and through social bullying, someone can just say that there's nothing for them anymore and that they don't need life. 2. It causes depression. What do I mean by it causes depression? This means that through bullying, a child can decide to isolate themselves from others or try to dodge people to avoid saying that what is their situation. Because if they would have been threatened by the police, if they say that to anybody, something bad can happen. 3. Loneliness and isolation. This means that if a child looks lonely and feels like nothing is there for them, or they're isolating themselves from others, something bad is happening. That means they're either being bullied or nothing, or something, they're feeling harsh on the inside. 4. Poor social skills. This means they won't be able to socialize with others, nor be able to speak to their teachers, or even say anything to anyone close to them because they've been bullied and they feel that there's no need to talk. 5. Feelings of rejection. What do I mean by feelings of rejection? This means that children that are being bullied will feel like they're rejected by anyone through social bullying. When everyone starts to distance themselves from that person, that child will feel that everyone is rejecting them and that nothing is there for them in school. How to deal with a bully? Report until something is done. That means report to everyone in the school until something is done. Stand up to them. This means that whenever they're talking to you, show no fear. Warn them. Tell them that we all came to school for the same reasons. 3. Invite other children around you to face them. This means that you call others who also came to school with you for the same reason, which means that everyone will know that person is a bully and continue to also start reporting until something is done. Finally, don't be a bully, and also don't allow others bully you. Thank you for allowing me here, and with that, I leave you with this song. Let's stand up and join our hands. The love that binds us.